Hey, and welcome to Altcoin Capital. Today, we're going to talk about everything that happened at the Bitcoin 2022 conference. Make sure you leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Now, let's jump right into it. Block CEO Jack Dorsey announced 3 new Cash App services at the Bitcoin 2022 conference on Thursday. Elon Musk offered $43 billion for the full Twitter company. Cathie Wood backed her view that Bitcoin will go to $1 million. And Michael Saylor said Biden has given the green light to Bitcoin. So there is so much interesting news about Bitcoin. So hold your seat for the news ride. Elon Musk Twitter news. So let's first start with our tech billionaire, Elon Musk. After buying 9.7% shares in Twitter, Elon Musk became the biggest shareholder of Twitter, but he recently offered $43 billion for the 100% shares of Twitter. He's willing to pay $54.20 for each share. The day before Musk's investment was made public, he told Twitter that this was his best and final offer, and he also said that he's not sure if the offer will go through, which means this is a limited time offer. According to the analysts at Wedbush, Musk's proposed takeover is likely going to happen. For this action, many kingdom people like the Saudi prince and major shareholder Al-Walid bin Talal rejected Musk's offer, but Warren Buffett applauded Musk's ambition, saying he's got an idea and he's winning. That's America. Also, Mark Cuban said, the move has sparked every major tech company to call their lawyers to ask about buying the social network. And Twitter was on the phone with their lawyers, asking which can be their white knight. But if everyone agrees on this bid, then Elon Musk really needs a good amount of cash in his hands. But I am sure he already has a solution for that. Bitcoin 2022 Conference. The Bitcoin 2022 conference was held in Miami this Saturday and already has produced a number of notable developments and insights from leading voices in the investment community. Cathie Wood. The prominent tech stock investor Cathie Wood still sees Bitcoin's price hitting $1 million in the next several years. On Friday, Bitcoin was at $42,760 after recovering from its 2022 low. She also said, as many of you may know, in our Big Ideas 2022, we have a price target in 2030 for Bitcoin of more than $1 million per Bitcoin. In recent months, Cathie Wood also invested a huge amount in the Tesla company for higher profits in the long term. As all of you know, the Palantir only focuses on the long-term investment, so they don't care if the price goes down or goes up for a short time. Their only aim is to get good returns on long-term investment. Michael Saylor. The MicroStrategy CEO and Bitcoin enthusiast Michael Saylor sounded upbeat about the overall tone he's hearing from Washington lately about cryptocurrencies. I think a couple of weeks ago, with the executive order, what we had was the President of the United States giving a green light to Bitcoin, he said as he sat next to Wood on their joint panel. Saylor was referring to President Joe Biden's executive order in March for further work on developing a national policy on digital currencies. Saylor said, if I can scan at least 100 years of history, and I asked, when was the last time the President of the United States directed the government to embrace a new asset class? The answer is never. So I think that Bitcoin should be taking a victory lap for what happened here just in the past few weeks in the United States government. Mexico's billionaires' thoughts about crypto. Mexico's third wealthiest person, Ricardo Salinas Pliego, who runs Mexican TV broadcaster TV Azteca and retailer Grupo Electra, has a net worth of roughly $13 billion according to Forbes. He said that he has big exposure to Bitcoin in his liquid portfolio. He said that, I have 60% in Bitcoin and Bitcoin equities, and then 40% in hard asset stock like oil and gas and gold miners, and that's where I am. Laser Eyes Bull. To start the Bitcoin 2022 conference, Miami Mayor Francis Suarez reveals Miami Bull, a statue of a black bull with so-called laser eyes to symbolize the city's backing of Bitcoin, and same as a challenge to Wall Street's famous charging bull statue. Suarez has also said that Miami is becoming the leading city for Bitcoin investors and businesses interested in using Bitcoin. The 3,000-pound statue stands 11 feet tall and required a team of more than 30 people and more than 6 months to complete. 3 new Cash apps. There are some new features of Cash apps that were announced to make Bitcoin transactions more simplified and easier, so anyone who uses them gets a good idea about how to use them and how they work. And to make that possible, Block's Jack Dorsey announces 3 new Cash app services aimed at streamlining Bitcoin investing and purchasing. Simplifying these processes can make Cash App a more compelling provider for users and potentially increase the app's payment volume. Service 1. Paid in Bitcoin lets Cash App users auto-invest a portion of their direct deposits into Bitcoin within the app. Service 2. With Bitcoin roundups, Cash App users can round up payments to the nearest dollar, and the difference is automatically invested in Bitcoin. Service 3. Lightning Network Receives lets Cash App users receive Bitcoin via the Lightning Network. The app started letting users send over the network in January. The Lightning Network is a protocol built on the Bitcoin blockchain that enables off-chain transactions between 2 parties, improving the crypto's scalability, as per Cointelegraph. The feature lets Cash App users send and receive Bitcoin to compatible external wallets. At the same conference, tennis star Serena Williams announced that she is working with the Cash App to advance Bitcoin adoption, but she did not give any details on that. This might be a very good update for the Cash user, that's why they didn't spoil anything. But why are they doing this? Cash App was one of the first mainstream payment apps to embrace cryptos. Block started letting Cash App users buy, sell, and hold Bitcoin in 2018 until 2020, when PayPal didn't launch a similar service for their users in the USA. Block wants Bitcoin to be a Cash App mainstay. The firm has introduced new solutions to encourage Cash App users to adopt Bitcoin. In December 2020, Block revamped the Cash Card to let users earn Bitcoin on purchases. And during last year's holiday season, Block let users gift each other Bitcoin. All these features make the Cash App stand out from the crowd so fast, and this is the reason why the Cash App always wants to be the one and the leading app in America's Bitcoin community. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give the video a like and subscribe to our channel for more fun. We will be back soon with another one, so click that notification bell below to stay tuned for our new videos. This is Altcoin Capital signing out. Until next time.